So it's FrizzyBri.
Hey guys, you're watching FrizzyBri, and today's video is about this unit I picked up from DivasWigs. Before getting into the details of the wig, I wanted to show off its construction. It came in this cute silk bag that can be used for storage, as well as a plastic bag and net to protect the hair. They also sent these two elastic bands that could be used to wear the wig without gluing it down. As far as the lace goes, there's evidence that they attempted to bleach the knots and possibly pre-pluck the hairline, but that would be something that you could go in and do again to make the hair look more natural. This is a full lace unit with two combs on the sides, one in the center and another in the back. These clasps can be used to attach those elastic bands that I showed you earlier, which I did use to make the wig fit more snugly. There's about 4 inches of lace on the back of the wig and another 12 inches around the front hairline. This unit comes from a collection of wigs featuring the super fine HD invisible, undetectable, seamless Swiss transparent lace, which is clearly a mouthful. This implies that the wig is sufficient to be used on any type of skin tone and to fit anyone's complexion. For the purposes of this video, I chose to show off the hair in its natural state, so I didn't do any additional plucking, I didn't bleach any knots, I didn't tint the lace at all, and this is how it looks directly out of the box. This unit is called Lauren on the DivasWigs website. It's 18 inches of straight human hair, and at this length, it currently retails for $289. After cutting off the lace, this is how the unit looks on. It's not straightened. I didn't use any glue to glue it down, just the elastics that came in the box. Here I'm using the Love Me hair wax stick just to tame the flyaways surrounding the parting space. This wig came pre-parted with a part on the right side of the unit, but because it is a lace frontal, it can be parted on either side as well as the center. Here I'm just showing you how it looks when I lift it up off of my head, as well as where it fits along my hairline. Again, this unit is 18 inches long. I'm 5'10", so it falls just around mid-chest level in the front and about mid-back in the back. In this clip, I'm just showing off how the lace looks when you do glue it down. I used some Got2b glue just to spray the outside of the wig. There was a little residual on my skin, but of course I'm just in the house because of the quarantine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as per usual, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.